Welcome to the Informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, these constant updates about the markets and the market conditions, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking this button here if you haven't done so already, and click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh, off the press, brand new videos. Don't forget, in the link in the description below, we also have access, you can have access to our free educational videos playlist. All right, guys, the crypto fear and greed index. Here we're currently at 22. Yesterday we were down at 21. Extreme fear in the markets, a lot of panic. Jay, what's going on? Man, we're gonna definitely discuss that in the charts in a couple of moments. But before we do see that, hey, just as we predicted in our previous video, what did Jay say? We were gonna go back down to the 20 level. Why? Because that has been previous support, before, as we can analyze here, previously strong support, key level. So, what did we do? We essentially came right back down to that 20-21 level, and now we're playing with it as support. If that breaks down, I expect further panic, further bearish market sentiment, in the days and weeks to come. All right, so today's question is the crypto crash over, Jay? In the past couple of days, for the past week, we had a massive downturn, guys. Massive downturn with the FTX scandal, going on. That was the catalyst, the trigger. The market had been going sideways for months, and that catapulted us, just in a downward direction. And we had this massive dump. If we measure it here, from, let's say, this local high, we go down, it was a 27% drop. That is hard, guys. 27% drop in Bitcoin. Altcoins have dropped even further, so it's hard. It's not easy, but it's not meant to be easy. These markets are volatile. You have to take the good with the bad. So, it is what it is. You live and you learn. So in this case, we had a strong pump here. Let's measure that from the lows. We had a strong pump of 15. Now that's more, 16.5%. If we leave it right there, give or take 16.5, 16.7% in just one day, in less than 24 hours. But then after that, 3 straight consecutive candles, on the daily chart, just bearish, not looking good. Again, the current support here is around that $16,000 area, as we can see with these 2 candles. And it seems we're on our way to retest that level to see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, then the next key support level would be around $13,700. Yikes, Jay. So is the crypto crash over? It might be, but we're seeing a lot of bearishness. And when we have dumps like these, sometimes it takes a long time to recover. So I would just be watching that support level like a hawk, just keeping my eyes on them. And if it breaks down, then the crash is not over. Then we expect that 13.7, 14K area, as that next support. But we have to wait and see. It's all about probabilities. It's all about keeping your eyes on the chart, and keeping your eyes on these key levels to the upside. Now that $17,600 level becomes clear, important resistance that we definitely have to keep our eye on. On a weekly note, again, this helps support evidence of just key levels. If we go back in the past, we see that once we broke that 13.7K resistance, as we can see here, that was a key level there. 13.7K was key there. And then in 2017, this area, we had a cluster of candles a little bit above, but we see that it was attempting to hold that 13.7K as support. It was successful with a couple of weekly candles, but then it broke down. So when you analyze the past, the charts and their past price action, you can see that 13.7K area is a pivotal level. And if this weekly candle closes right now, as we can see, we breached that 18.8, 18.6K, give or take, support level on the weekly chart, which is below the 19.5K level that we've been preaching. We've made videos that if Bitcoin broke the 19.5K, and it closes below there, then that doesn't look too bullish. It looks bearish, actually. And if you ask me here, just this candle in a convincing manner has broken the key support level. So again, there's a couple of hours left before this weekly candle closes, but if it closes below the 18, this level below 18.7k here, with the weekly, that's not looking good. Below 18k, man, and it looks like it. We do have a buy wick here, but it's not strong. It's not pushing up. So if it closes here, then next week is going to be the confirmation candle. If next week's candle, if this one closes down here and then next week we push up and break above this key level, then that would be extremely bullish for the markets, honestly. But if it comes up and it's rejected in the next couple of weeks, then man, that looks bearish. Or we can continue on down and the crash can continue to go strong towards the downside. But at the end of the day, even on a weekly level, that 13.7k is the key level to continue to watch. And ironically, Bitcoin is dumping, is going down, is crashing. Again, as we say, fundamental analysis matters. And fundamentally, cryptocurrency, is going through a hard time with that FTX scandal. So, it's unfortunate the dollar is breaking down here, as we can see clearly breaking the previous uptrend, previous key support levels, so basically, as we can see here, we clear the charts a little bit more, that the dollar's not looking good. The DXY is breaking down. Usually that's gold, silver has been pumping recently, but Bitcoin hasn't, mainly due to fundamental analysis. So it's unfortunate that when the dollar is going down, Bitcoin is also going down with it due to the major events recently. But again, guys, it is going down, the DXY. The next support is about that 105 level, key level here, there, 105, yeah, as we can see. And I believe that we might come down here, based on probabilities, and retest that support level, see if it holds. If it doesn't, then the 100 level on the DXY, would be key. So stay tuned to see how the DXY is going to continue to react in the next couple of days. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget, swing by Twitter, click the follow button. It'll just take a few seconds of your time and you'll gain access to, quality cryptocurrency information. So let's start with the top 5. Cryptocurrencies in the world. Let's analyze their performance in the last 7 days. We start immediately with Bitcoin, BTC, currently at around $16,381, down 22.73%. Number 2, Ethereum, currently at around $1,213, down 25%. Number 3, BNB, currently at around $275, down 21%. Number 4, XRP, the scam. Look at that. Already at around 33 cents, down 30%. Man, what a week, huh? And number 5, Cardano, at around 33 cents as well, down 21.42% for the week. Yikes. Then, we have the top 5 worst performing assets for the past 7 days. We immediately start with Solana. Is rumored to be intertwined with FTX to a certain extent. So price action is definitely, reflecting that. We have its price at $13.58, down 60% for man. Number 2, Kronos, at around, a nickel, down 52% for the week. Also, rumors swirling that they might be the next FTX. Who knows, right? We have to stay safe during these times. So, I got a video coming up about, what's the best way, the state of cryptocurrency right now, to stay safe during these trying times. So stay tuned, coming next week. Number 3, Aptos, currently at around $4.28, down 44%. Number 4, ApeCoin, the monkey coin, currently at around just under $3 a pop at $2.92, down 41%. Number 5, Arweave, at around $8.77, down 40% for the week as well. Yikes. Then we have the top 5 best performing assets during the past week. As we can see, we have 1, 2, 3 of them are stable coin due to cryptocurrency crashing. That happens. But the first 2, we have essentially decentralized exchanges, due to the trust issues going on and things of that nature. And again, the FTX scandal. Number 1 is Trust Wallet, TWT, at around $2.15, up 80% in the last 7 days. And most of it happened in the last 24 hours. So, people, again, decentralization is king, and people are going to notice, the hard way. So, and number 2 is GMX, at around $43.66, up 9.70% for the week. The rest are just stable coins, man. Tough times, tough week, huh, guys? But you got to stay strong, and think for the long term. Again, a beautiful video coming out next week talking about key pointers and things, just keep in mind during these times. So stay tuned, guys. In the link in the description below, you can find access to our website where you can have, access to investment tools and resources. So, keep that in mind. And again, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you like the video. We would gladly appreciate it. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our brand new, fresh off the press videos. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a good one.